Hello everyone. In previous video we have learned how to include map control in the WPF application. Now in this video we will enable the on-click mouse event to display markers over map controls. For this purpose we have created a mouse down event, and in this event we will create a point variable to get the point from screen, and the point contain x and y axis. Then we will convert the point into local lat longs. For this purpose we will use the function from local to lat long, and then we will create Gmap marker, new marker, and we will give the latitude and longitude of that point where we have clicked with mouse, and then we will add shape in the marker. For this purpose we will use ellipse. Width of ellipse will be 10 and height would also be 10, and then we set the strokes brushes dot yellow strokes of the ellipse, and then we will add stroke thickness. It will be 1.5, and in the end we will fill the ellipse with red color, and in last we will add this marker to our map control marker list. Let's run our application and see the results. Here, when we click with mouse on any point on the map control, we will see the red markers appears. So guys, this is it for today. In this lecture we have learned how we can draw markers over map control by clicking with mouse left click, and you can see the results. For more amazing videos, please like and subscribe our channel Learn to Code Now. Thank you so much.